down there on the left-hand side.
Yeah.
Please do not record me. It's illegal without my
It's
permission.
really not illegal. This is our building. This is our building. We the people who pay. All right, AV Watchman. Out here with by myself. I'm at this Palmdale Adoption Center for animals. This was a special request for someone who was told no, that they couldn't film here. If I recall correctly, that's what I was told, so could be wrong. I don't think I am, but yeah, I mean, you guys see for yourself. The girl that came up to me in that job center, career center, she told me some stuff, as you guys can see, about that place in Lancaster, and that place has quite the name for themselves, being a bunch of ass wipes to everybody. So let's see how it goes here. Hello. Hi. Oh, that's neat.
There's two on both sides.
Is
Where are
it?
you from?
Just independent drones.
So if you go and look on the other side too, there's a, so this is the doggy and there's a kitty on the other side.
Is it?
Hi, how can I help you today?
I was going to, it's not funny.
So,
I should know how much the adoption fees would be.
Yes, we don't have any surgery yet. May I ask if you're
yeah, they keep,
Yes.
you know,
I'm 60, my husband.
they take good care of our facilities.
So the total, oh, that doesn't matter because we're having a special called Home for the Holiday. So until the end of the year, the adoption fees are.
Oh, wow. It's pretty neat. So if you guys are looking for a pet, you could come here and adopt the animals. Hi, kitty, kitty. Feel bad when I see animals trapped like this. Let's see him right over here. Yeah, but our building is beautiful. Seems like they take care of it. It's a good thing. Wow, look at this guy. Hey, buddy. Elvira. Making me a little weirdo look. I heard him say, somebody go look at what he's doing. Dog adoptions.
Please do not record me. It's illegal without my
It's
permission.
really not illegal. This is our building. This is our building. We the people who pay taxes.
Yeah, but I have the right to not record me.
Not in the public, ma'am. I'm sorry. She was just itching to say something. Okay, I'm gonna find out how can we adopt the dogs. This lady was itching to say something. Yeah, I'm gonna pause it real quick just to find out. You have any information, ma'am? How to adopt the dogs?
You have to fill out, you have to apply. Are you adopting a dog, sir?
There's other people that I have a lot of subscribers who love their animals. This is paranoia of the camera. Even though we're on camera, look. Look at that. I'm gonna pause it, guys. See if we can get this information. I'll turn it back on. How do we go about getting information to adopt dogs, cats?
Are you interested in it, or you just want to know for like?
I have subscribers, people who.
So whenever you come to one of our care centers, all of our animals have animal kennel cards. They have an animal ID number in red. You get that animal ID number for any animal you're interested in. You come up to one of our clerks, and they'll able to assist you more.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, so I got all that. Thank you.
All right, sir.
Appreciate it. How can I see them though?
All the way down on your left is our adoptable dogs.
Yeah.
If you have any
Can
questions.
I go in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah.
That's all I was trying to find
Yeah,
out.
sure.
All right. Cool. Thank you. Oh, look, they have a bunny.
Are you waiting for an escort?
All right. So, hey, little babies. I believe the person that told me to come here, she wasn't allowed to come into this side of the building without an escort. Beautiful. Hi, baby. That's baby. Hi, Magic. No, don't you even start. You crazy. Here's Magic. mamas. This guy right here is being feisty. Hi, Tanner. Hi, buddy. You guys keep it looking good in here, man.
Oh, we try, man. We try.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you.
Now on the other side, I can go right into there as well.
You need an escort with us.
Escort for us?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Escort for the other side. I wonder why. Let's find out. Oh boy. Okay. I'm documenting. All right, facility.
I'm gonna go check the bag.
So on this side, like, why on this side you gotta have escorts on that side?
She has,
Like, what's this?
she has only one side, she lost her
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead.
Processed fully, or we don't know if their owner
Oh,
hasn't had a chance to find them.
oh, okay.
I'm sorry, can you walk her around?
Okay.
Yes.
She's looking for her Shih Tzu.
Okay.
It's, I do not really, cannot, I just.
Yeah, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and do that escort. You know what, I'm gonna go to the front.
This guy whose dog's here, and I'm just trying to update me. What's going on?
The fight?
Yeah, did you see pictures?
Just duplicate.
Did you get pretty number? No, animal number.
Oh, sorry.
And I'm like,
How do I get an escort for the
How
other
about you
side?
send me pictures? Did you get the pictures?
You get a call for an escort?
It's a pretty bad
Yeah.
fight. But
For
they
escort?
happen.
She's gonna call right now.
Thank you.
Escort, please? Escort, please?
Yeah.
So I guess the reason why you need an escort is because these dogs have not been, I guess, properly treated, the animals. I guess what they mean by that is like shots or whatever else. They have Braille.
Do you need
Yeah,
an
that'd be
escort
cool.
back?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what we had over the window.
You can escort
I was
me?
gonna ask if I can hear for her.
Are you part of something?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna go, I'll get you the cup and the water.
Okay.
Hey. So these are all the lost found ones? Or?
Lost and found,
Oh,
yeah.
found.
No, I mean, like, are you authorized to have them back
Yeah,
there?
oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. Hi, guys. Like, guy or
He's a guy.
Prince?
Yeah.
How do you find out?
Sorry?
How do you find out his name?
After they've been here like a certain period of time.
Oh, okay. What happens to aggressive? This guy's.
I'm not really.
Yeah, his legs are. All right.
Yeah.
You been fighting, buddy? That's sad when they do.
Yeah.
Jacked up. Oh, Oh my goodness. What's this? All right. What's up, YouTube family? Hey, so I'm going to cut the video there. Basically, all I'm doing is just walking around, filming these animals, and I can't figure out why they wanted an escort for this side of the building. The lady who contacted me and asked me to go to this place, I guess they told her the same thing about, you know, she had to have an escort on this side of the building. And yeah, I can't figure out why they didn't have any signs up that said no entry, do not enter. They didn't have anything up. And I don't know. As you see, the lady behind the counter, she doesn't like public photography. And if you guys want to go ahead and give them a call, please feel free to do so. The number is 661-575-5288. All right. Thank you guys for watching. This is AV Watchman. I'm going to go ahead and sign out. I am going to be returning to this place, though, and find out about that escort. Thanks.